Number 2 is ELEGOO Saturn 8K MSLA 3D printer. You are introducing the game changer for dental model printing, the incredible ELEGOO Saturn 8K MSLA 3D printer. Brace yourself for a dental revolution like never before. With its jaw-dropping features and mind-blowing capabilities, this cutting-edge device will make your jaw drop. Picture this, a dazzling 10-inch 8K mono LCD screen that brings your dental models to life with razor-sharp precision. The level of detail is so mind-bogglingly acceptable that you'll be able to see the tiniest nooks and crannies of your creations. And guess what? It only takes a lightning-fast 1 to 3 seconds exposure time per layer. But wait, there's more! The build volume of the Saturn 8K is so generous that you can print an entire batch of dental models in one go. Say goodbye to time-consuming, piece-by-piece printing. This beast of a printer is here to skyrocket your productivity. Not only does it offer exceptional printing accuracy, but it also boasts a rock-solid structure. The Z-axis is driven by linear rails that ensure stability and precision. The sandblasted build plate guarantees strong adhesion, while the PFA release liner makes model removal a breeze. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase